Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Harsha. You watching Riding Devil. So let's get this started now. I basically make videos on motorcycles and some motor vlogs. So if you're interested in this kind of stuff, you can please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell icon as well, so that you will be notified each time I upload a video. Now that you have done that, let's get this party started.
I got some dirty shit to pick up at the dry cleaner. I got a tidy bitch to pick up, I got love Selena. Shawty hop up in the whip, but I ain't never seen her. Shawty love the way I whip it in a two-seater.
So we are heading to JC Road right now, and and the work is to get installed the bar and lights for my motorcycle. So yeah, let's get over there, shall we? But before that, we need to have a lunch. So I'm looking into the hotels anywhere near right now because we are very hungry man right now. So I will meet you in a while after lunch. So we have had a very good lunch right now, and right now, as I said before, heading to JC Road to install the bar and lights to my motorcycle. So having bar and lights not only makes your bike look really good, but it also is a safety feature to have you installed, because you know when you're riding in the night in the dark, it really helps others to notice you very quickly because of those bright LEDs at bar and lights. So yeah, that's the pretty much information I had, what I feel. So there is nothing much to talk about apart from this. So I will directly meet you in the JC Road when I'm installing those bar and lights. So yeah, let's head over there. And after that, it started raining heavily over there, so we had to stop there for almost 1.5 hours, I think, if I remember correctly. this is how the barn light looks now. I couldn't shoot in the way back because as you know it was raining heavily, so is the reason why I haven't been able to shoot along the way. So now this is how the barn light looks, and it really looks really cool. And this includes LED lights which is connected to DRLs, and these blinkers are connected to directly indicators. It costed me around 400 rupees for purchasing this and 250 for fixing and all. As you saw in the video, they were fixing with drilling, so is the reason why they took 250 rupees, which is kind of expensive for fixing, but then it's alright. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button if you have liked it, and dislike if you haven't. Let me know the reason for disliking in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you won't miss any notification from my side. I release videos on Monday, Thursday and Saturday at 6:30 PM in the evening. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye for now.